In this video, I will show you exactly how to muscle up for beginners with a pull-up bar. Just like that. So let's dive right into the video. So what's up guys, it's Erin from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do a muscle up for beginners on a pull-up bar. So first of all, what you want to be able to do, if you can't do pull-ups, learn pull-ups. Pull-ups are a lot easier than muscle-ups, obviously. But once you can do 8 pull-ups in a row, start doing pull-ups to your chest, okay? So just like this, I'll show you. Once you can do 8 to 10 pull-ups, move on to chest pull-ups. So depending on what you want to do it strict or not. You know, CrossFit, obviously they don't do it strict, they do it swinging. But if you want to do it strict, this is the way to do it. Obviously it applies the same to doing it with kipping. You're just gonna kip and do it. So what chest to bar pull-ups are just strict chest to bar pull-ups are just like this. So pull all the way up to your chest. Just pull as high as you can, okay? Make sure you warm up before doing a muscle up as well. Okay, so do about 10 reps, 3 sets of 10 reps, you know, pull-ups to your chest. You should be able to do a muscle up easily, but we're gonna go through a few different ways to do it. So, let's see. So I'll show you one more time the chest to bar pull-up. So, just like that, hitting your chest. See how I'm swinging a little bit? I'm not doing it completely strict. If you're really picky on it, do that completely strict, but I was kind of like pulling up quick just to show you guys. Another way to learn how to do muscle ups is to do dips on the bar. So dips just on the bar, I'll show you. Just like this. Just like that. Practice dip. Because that's the second half of the muscle up. Just make sure your chest is bent over just like you would do a muscle up, and just practice dips. Okay, that's really going to help you do the muscle up. Another way to do the muscle up is to do an eccentric muscle up. Just jump up to the bar all the way up to where you're in the top of your dip position. Just like that. Jump up to the bar and slowly let yourself go. Slowly let yourself down. And that was a little bit too quick. I would do it slower than that. That was way too quick actually. But slowly let yourself down and then do an eccentric muscle up. So I'll do it one more time slower. Jump up to the bar. Slowly lower yourself down, just like you're doing a muscle up, but it's backwards. Just like that. Okay? So that is how you're going to be able to do a muscle up. Practice that over and over. That's going to use the exact same muscle groups as you're doing to do a muscle up. For the muscle up, once you've done all those progressions, you're ready to try the muscle up. You got to just practice it. I mean, the eccentric muscle up, the backwards muscle up, negative muscle up, whatever you want to call it. Practice trying to do the muscle up. And one time you're going to get it. Once you get that same motion, you're good to go. And you just got to keep the strength up. So, okay. So if you want, for your first time, you can swing a little bit. But I like to do it as strict as I can just to get as much muscle as I can. Just like this, pull up fast. Obviously that wasn't strict. I kind of moved my legs a little bit too much that time. But as you can see, that's how to do a muscle up. Show you one more time, but just pull up quick. Just like that. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Click this playlist to check out our workout playlist. This is gonna be all of the workouts you need to get you ripped, get you a six-pack and all that. So click the link right here. Click some of the links in the description for different products we use. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. I'll talk to you later. God bless.